Your question was, how many grams of NaOH are required to react with 50 milliliters of H2SO4 and it's 0.2 molar concentration? All right, so here's how you solve it. So first of all, we need to have a perfectly balanced chemical equation, which we do. Those coefficients in front of each of the molecular formulas are moles. So I need 2 moles of NaOH for every 1 mole of H2SO4. Alright, so there's that 2 mole, and there's no coefficient in front of the H2SO4, so we just assume that it's 1. So there's a 2 mole to 1 mole molar ratio. Let's go ahead and start making a known and unknown table of what we know and what we don't know. Let's write down that molar ratio for the 2 species that we care about. And okay, so now what we need to do is we have to figure out the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. And so if we add up, 23 is the molar mass of Na, plus 16 is the molar mass of oxygen, plus 1 is the molar mass of hydrogen. You get 40 grams NaOH per mole NaOH. I'm going to write that down in something that I know. All right, so you gave some information in the note in the original question. You said that we have 50 milliliters of 0.2 molar H2SO4. So what we have to do is we have to figure out how many moles that is. So we know that concentration is equal to mole over liter. We know that the concentration was 0.2 molar, and we knew that liters were 50 milliliters or 0.05 liters. So if we solve for mole, we get 0.01 moles of H2SO4 is how much we have. So let's write that down into our known table. All right, what are we looking for in your question? You asked, told us that we're looking for the number of grams of NaOH. And so now we set up our dimensional analysis problem here. It looks like we're going to have 3 different fractions, and I'm going to start off with the molar mass. Let's get rid of this first. Start off with the molar mass, 40 grams NaOH over mole NaOH. We're going to multiply that by, how about the molar ratio? And I'm going to write this out so that mole NaOH over mole NaOH cancels. Now I need to cancel out mole H2SO4, so let's multiply it by how many moles of H2SO4 that we have. Cross out. And when you multiply 40 times 2 times 0.01, you get 0.8 grams of NaOH. That's how much you need.